Hey, it's John from Fedora Lifestyle, and as you know, I draw a lot of skulls. And this is by far the easiest way to draw one, so let's get into it. Before starting, please subscribe for more art and drawing tutorials. First, draw an oval with guidelines through the center in both directions. We start with an oval to make sure the skull scale fits the composition. Next, split the horizontal line, or eye line, into 5 equal sections. It's okay if your 5 sections go outside the oval. We'll erase everything in a little while anyway. In the second and fourth sections, draw these square-shaped eye sockets. Okay, they aren't quite squares, but close enough. Then in the middle section, draw a teardrop-shaped nasal cavity. It will have a split in the bottom center, making it look more like an arrowhead. Next, draw the curve of the zygomatic bone, often called the cheekbone. Generally, the bone aligns with the bottom of the nasal cavity and is as wide as the furthest marks we made on the eye line. Then draw 2 downward curves and connect to form the gum line. As you practice, I urge you to look at reference to further refine your work. For the teeth, I like to say the incisors look like candy corn. I draw one side curving slightly upward, then draw a very light guideline curving up to the right before finishing the upper row. The bottom row connect to the jawbone in the shape of a wide W and are drawn in like the row above. Please take your time here. Some artists skip drawing teeth altogether, but they can make your drawing so much more interesting even if the teeth aren't perfect. Now draw the inside of the jawbone on both sides. Don't forget to use that symmetry line, and then the outer contour of the jawbone. Generally, the jawbone begins to taper toward the chin where the teeth meet. Moving upward, measure just over 2 eye sockets up to find the top of the skull. Note the top of the skull flares a bit. It isn't rounded off like a semicircle. Then I like to draw the coronal sutures on both sides of the skull before erasing all the guidelines. You may not need to erase everything depending on how dark your guidelines are. Now the really fun part. Draw a clean outline on everything, every detail including the features and teeth. In fact, especially the teeth. From here you can add smaller details like the inner taper of the zygomatic bones, inside the eye sockets because they're not bottomless holes, and the ridges of the upper and lower gum lines. We're simply highlighting where the form changes, tapers, or cuts in. Finally, vary the line weight of areas of interest wherever you want people to see, like where the teeth meet and the shape of the eye sockets. Would you like to see a part 2 where I shade this skull with graphite? Let me know in the comments. And with that, you're done. Please subscribe, like, and share.